create a very fast-paced video for YouTube about the unbroken loop, deconstructing the dominance of circular technology. In the annals of technological history, few innovations have managed to so completely and fundamentally reshape the fabric of human experience as CIRCLA technology. To call it a product, a platform, or even an ecosystem is a profound understatement. Emerging in the late 2020s, CIRCLA was not merely an iteration on existing digital paradigms. It was a philosophical and architectural revolution. It promised to replace the fragmented, chaotic digital lives of the early 21st century with a seamless, intuitive, and unbroken loop of information, context, and intention. This is an exploration of what CIRCLA technology is, its core principles, its societal impact, and the enduring questions it poses for our future. The Genesis: a reaction to digital fragmentation. To understand CIRCLA, one must first recall the world that necessitated its creation. The early 2020s were the zenith of digital fragmentation. The average individual navigated a dizzying array of disparate applications, competing operating systems, and siloed data vaults. A person's professional life was locked in a Microsoft or Google suite. Their social life scattered across a half-dozen apps. Their health data was held hostage by proprietary fitness trackers, and their home was a bickering cacophony of smart devices from different manufacturers that barely tolerated each other. This digital schizophrenia led to immense cognitive overhead. Users spent more time managing their technology than benefiting from it. Data privacy was a nightmare, with personal information being bartered and breached across countless insecure platforms. The promise of technology to simplify and empower was drowning in a sea of complexity and mistrust. It was this problem of a broken digital loop that the founders of CIRCLA set out to solve. Their vision was simple yet impossibly ambitious: to create a single, unified technological layer for life itself. The three pillars of CIRCLA. The entire architecture of CIRCLA technology is built upon three foundational pillars, each representing a core aspect of its design philosophy. 1. The unified experience, the loop. This is the most visible aspect of CIRCLA. The core principle is that a user's digital identity, data, and context should flow frictionlessly between every device and interface they interact with. There are no apps in the traditional sense within the CIRCLA OS. Instead, there are intents and streams. A user doesn't open a Maps app to find a restaurant. They simply express the intent. I'm hungry for Italian food near the park, and the system presents the relevant information within their current context, whether it's on their augmented reality glasses, their vehicle's dashboard, or a public display. This is achieved through a decentralized data protocol and a universal rendering engine that adapts content to any form factor. The loop is unbroken. The conversation you start on your home hub is seamlessly available on your wrist device as you walk out the door. 2. Contextual Intelligence, the core. At the heart of CIRCLA is its proprietary AI, codenamed Aura. Unlike the reactive voice assistants of the past, Aura is a proactive, ambient intelligence. It is designed to understand not just commands, but context. It synthesizes a vast array of inputs: biometric data from wearables, location history, calendar events, communication patterns, and even ambient environmental data to build a deeply personalized understanding of the user. This understanding is quantified by a proprietary metric called the context score, C_S, which can be notionally represented as where. T is the temporal context, time of day, day of the week. L is the locational context, at home, at work, in transit. B is the biometric context, heart rate, stress levels, sleep patterns. U is the user intent history, recent queries, established routines. W_N represents the dynamic weighting factors adjusted by Aura's learning algorithms. This score allows the system to anticipate needs. If your C_S indicates you are at work, L, approaching a deadline, T, and your biometrics show rising stress, B, the system will automatically silence non-critical notifications, suggest a 5-minute breathing exercise, and queue up a focus-enhancing playlist. It transforms the user from a commander of technology to a collaborator with it. 3. Sustainable by design, the cycle. This pillar is perhaps CIRCLA's most radical departure from 20th and early 21st century tech philosophy. Confronting the escalating crisis of e-waste, CIRCLA technology was built on the principles of the circular economy. Hardware is not sold as a monolithic disposable unit. Instead, users own a core module, and all other components, screens, batteries, sensors, casings, are modular, repairable, and upgradable. These components are made from bioresins and easily recyclable metals. When a component is returned, it is either refurbished for reuse or fully broken down, with its materials re-entering the manufacturing supply chain. This hardware-as-a-service model eliminates the concept of planned obsolescence and creates a closed-loop system, reflecting the circular ethos of the company's name. How CIRCLA Technology works: the architecture. The CIRCLA ecosystem consists of three intertwined layers: hardware, software, and the Aura AI. Hardware, the C-Series. The hardware lineup, known as the C-Series, is intentionally minimalist. It includes the C-Hub, a central home device that manages the local network and serves as the primary data processor for the household. The C-Band, a sophisticated wearable that is the primary source of biometric and immediate environmental data. It replaces the smartphone for most on-the-go interactions through haptics, audio cues, and micro-projections. The C-Lens, a pair of lightweight augmented reality glasses or contact lenses that serve as the primary visual interface, overlaying contextual information directly onto the user's field of view. C-Nodes, small ambient sensors placed around the home or office that extend the system's awareness of its environment. For example, temperature, light, occupancy. All these devices are designed with modularity in mind. If a better camera sensor is released for the C-Lens, the user simply swaps the old module for the new one, a process as simple as changing a battery. Software, CIRCLA OS. The operating system is a masterpiece of minimalist design and powerful back-end engineering. Its key features include the Intent Engine. This replaces the traditional app-based structure. It is the part of the OS that interprets the user's natural language, gestures, or even predictive needs, and translates them into actions. The Context Stream. This is the user interface, a continuous, chronological, and context-aware stream of information. It might show an upcoming meeting, then a message from a colleague, followed by a suggestion to leave for your appointment based on real-time traffic, all in one unified, flowing interface. The Data Sovereignty Vault. Addressing the privacy concerns of the past, all user data is encrypted and stored locally on their C-Hub by default. The user has granular control over what data is shared with third-party services, using a simple permission-based system. Data is treated as personal property, not a commodity to be exploited. The AI, Aura. Aura is the ghost in the machine, the intelligence that connects everything. It is a federated learning system. While the core models are trained on vast, anonymized datasets in the cloud, the personalization and fine-tuning happen directly on the user's local C-Hub. This means Aura's deep understanding of an individual's habits and needs never has to leave their home, representing a major leap forward in privacy-preserving AI. Aura's goal is not to maximize engagement in the way social media algorithms did, but to maximize efficiency and well-being, as defined by user-set goals. A day in the life with CIRCLA. To make this tangible, consider a day for an architect named Lena in the year 2040. 7 a.m. Lena's C-Hub subtly adjusts the bedroom lighting to mimic a natural sunrise. Her C-Band has monitored her sleep cycle and determined this is the optimal moment to wake her. As she walks into the kitchen, the C-Hub surface displays her schedule for the day, noting that her first meeting has been pushed back by 30 minutes. Aura has already cross-referenced this with public transit schedules and informs her she can enjoy a longer breakfast. 11 a.m. At her firm, Lena is working on a 3D model. Wearing her C-Lens, she can see the holographic model projected onto the physical table in front of her. She manipulates it with hand gestures, which are perfectly tracked by the C-Lens and surrounding C-Nodes. When a collaborator sends her a structural analysis file, it doesn't arrive as an email attachment, it simply appears as a new data layer on her model. Aura flags a potential stress point in the design that conflicts with a building code regulation it found in the city's public database. 6 p.m. While riding the transit home, Lena's C-Lens discreetly shows a notification. Her C-Band detected an abnormal heart rhythm an hour ago, cross-referenced it with her elevated stress levels during the design review, and has already scheduled a provisional telehealth check-in with her doctor for the evening. Lena accepts with a simple eye gesture.
Aura, what can I make with chicken, broccoli, and lemons?
Throughout the day, Lena has not opened a single app. She hasn't swiped through pages of icons or managed notifications. Her technology has been a silent, proactive partner, smoothing the edges of her day and freeing her cognitive resources to focus on what truly matters: her work, her health, and her creativity. Criticisms and ethical quandaries. Despite its utopian premise, CIRCLA Technology is not without its fierce critics. The most significant challenges include the algorithmic gilded cage. While CIRCLA offers unparalleled convenience, it also creates an incredibly powerful filter bubble. By constantly optimizing for efficiency and user preference, the system may inadvertently shield individuals from challenging viewpoints, serendipitous discoveries, and personal growth that comes from friction and unpredictability. Are we living a perfectly optimized life or a perfectly circumscribed one? The illusion of privacy. While the data sovereignty vault is a major improvement, the sheer volume of data being collected is staggering. A malicious actor who could compromise a C-hub would have access to a complete blueprint of a person's life. Furthermore, there are concerns about government subpoenas and the potential for the system to be used for social scoring or surveillance. Economic disruption and monopoly. CIRCLA's closed-loop modular hardware system decimated the traditional consumer electronics industry. The app economy that defined the early digital age vanished, leading to massive job displacement for developers and designers. Critics argue that CIRCLA's dominance has created a new kind of technological monopoly, one that is more deeply entrenched than any that came before it. The atrophy of skill. As Aura proactively manages more and more of life's complexities, from navigation to scheduling to basic fact-finding, concerns have been raised about the potential for human cognitive skills to atrophy. When the path of least resistance is always paved for you, do you lose the ability to navigate difficult terrain on your own? Conclusion: the unbroken loop and the unwritten future. CIRCLA Technology represents the logical conclusion of humanity's quest to merge the digital and physical worlds. It delivered on the broken promises of a previous technological era, offering a life of seamless convenience, proactive assistance, and sustainable design. It has streamlined industries, personalized healthcare, and freed up countless hours of human potential from the drudgery of digital maintenance. Yet, it has also presented us with a profound choice. The unbroken loop of CIRCLA is both a safety net and a cage. Its intelligence is both an enhancement and a crutch. As we move deeper into this new paradigm, the central question remains: in our pursuit of a perfectly frictionless existence, what essential parts of our humanity, our resilience, our serendipity, our very capacity for independent struggle and discovery, are we willing to trade away? CIRCLA has given us a world without digital seams, but it is up to us to ensure it does not become a world without a human soul.